Today, I'll show you how to adjust the subtitle size in Call of Duty Black Ops 6. So if you want to increase the size of the subtitles or if you want to reduce the size of the subtitles, here's how to go about it. So launch the game and then press the options button in your controller to access this menu. Then use the R1 or the L1 button and go to the settings icon. And then from here, you'll see all the settings. Then scroll down and select interface. So choose that. Now within this menu, use the R1 on the L1 button and go to the Readability tab. And then scroll down and find subtitle size. So as you can see, by default is set to default. And you can see a preview on the right side on what the default sample text looks like. So select sample size and subtitle size rather. Then you can find the option that you desire. So there's the larger and the largest. So as you can see on the right side of the screen, it shows you what each option looks like. So choose the options that you desire. So let's say I choose larger. And then once done, exit the settings and the changes will be applied. So that's basically it on how to adjust the subtitle size in Call of Duty Black Ops 6. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel.